it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. I have another unboxing for y'all. This is from Bath and Body Works. My husband ordered this and I've been wanting to share it with y'all before I started using anything, so it's been sitting here in this box waiting to show y'all what he ordered for me. So I guess some things were on sale and he had some coupons I had sitting around, so that's why he ordered some things and surprised me because I didn't even know until I got the box. So I'm going to show y'all what he ordered. These are some new items I believe in here, except for this. This is something they don't really carry anymore, but he had found it because he knew I liked it. He had gotten this like a year or so ago, and I finally used it all up because I only used it at certain times. And I still have a little of the lotion left, but I ran out of the bath stuff, and I have some of the spray left. So I was really sad that I didn't have the Dark Kiss shower gel anymore. And I was telling him, I said, yeah, I don't think they make this anymore. And I guess he went online and he found some. So he ordered me some more of the Dark Kiss because he knew I did like that. This smells really good. Every time I've ever used it, I've always had compliments. People say, oh, you smell really nice. What do you have on? You know, and I was like, Dark Kiss. I don't know if they still have some online or not, but I know it's that they did quit selling it. They do still have some of this online. You want to see about getting this. It just smells really nice. I don't know how to explain this, what it smells like. Let's see if I can find my glasses and I'll read what it says. Oh, where are my glasses? Oh, I keep having to move them because we have that little puppy and he chews on everything. Matter of fact, he just chewed my earbuds up that were laying on the stand behind the sofa. He's gotten a hold of my reading glasses before and ran off with them. He grabs a hold of anything. He climbs up behind the sofa and grabs things. Yeah, I had these earbuds, really nice earbuds, and he chewed the earbuds up. So now I don't have any earbuds for my phone. She's gonna have to, I'll tell her she's going to have to buy me some new earbuds. He chews on everything. I had them put up to where he couldn't get to them. He'll climb up onto the coffee table. He climbs up behind the sofa. If you're not watching him every split little second, he does. He gets into everything. So let's see if I can read the back of this, and I'll tell you what it says. It says it's got black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot, incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. Contains shea butter, vitamin E, and aloe. That's what Dark Kiss is. Let me get my glasses off now. Then we got wild honeysuckle and the shower gel and the lotion. And it says on it, our exclusive wild honeysuckle fragrance is inspired by a cheerful afternoon getting caught in the rain while picking wildflowers. Has water, honeydew, wild honeysuckle, race-kissed jasmine, orange flower, white woods. So that sounds like that'll be nice. This is one of their new fragrances. Got that. And then there's all of these hand soaps that he got. That's what I think was on sale. So he's got turquoise water. And I think all these are new fragrances. We've got Stay Magical, which is pineapple punch. Look at the little unicorn. Isn't that cute? Wild lavender mint. And I've already taken a sniff of all these too, and they do smell wonderful. Lavender coconut. The bottles are so pretty. Then look at this little doggy. Wagmore Bark Less. This is orange vanilla swirl. good summer scent. And this is Southern Magnolia, pretty bottle. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom. We gave her a Southern Magnolia candle for her bathroom, so we'll give her this also for her bathroom. Sorry for the dog hair. So we'll move these out of the way so you can see them better. Let's see. Try to get them all in view. Maybe I should do them this way. So that's all of them. I don't know if I can get them all in there or not. I'm sitting here trying to do this on the sofa. So that's everything. That is everything he got. We'll try and zoom in. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all remember to please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to comment down below. Let me know if you like Bath and Body Works. Let me know what kind of videos y'all like. And also remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Please also remember to share these videos. And as always, I appreciate y'all watching. And stay tuned for more videos coming up very soon.